Hey guys, Ryan here with your Amazon FBA update for the week of May 15th, 2020. So similar to Amazon merch, Amazon FBA is returning to normal slowly. So before I jump into that real quick, let me introduce myself. I'm Ryan Hogue. I've sold over $1.6 million on Amazon. I have an Amazon FBA Facebook community where we're helping each other succeed. I've got a free FBA mini course. All these have links in the description. I also publish transparent income reports each month since my first FBA profits back when I only had 5 sales. And I spent over a year writing the most thorough Amazon FBA course on the internet. You can check that out, link in the description if you're interested. All right, the first thing I wanted to update you guys on is that FBA has restored inbound shipments for non-essential items. Now, it was causing such a ridiculous headache when they were limiting what products we could send in. And I didn't actually run into restrictions about what I could send in, but I ran into restrictions about how much I could send in. I ran into this issue with, I think, about 4 different SKUs over the duration of the limitations. And what I've actually gone and done is I've gone back and deleted those old FBA inbound shipments. Fortunately, they didn't get shipped yet. I also had one production run that I had gotten for one of my products. Well, it was actually like 3 different SKUs under one brand from the same manufacturer. And I just had them stored at their facility. I've been working with them for over 3 years, so they were gracious and they let me do that without charging me. And I said, hey, hopefully when things are normal, I'll be able to just send you all the labels you need and we can get it shipped all in one shipment to the USA. So that is finally restored. It's back to normal. I deleted my old partial shipments that I had created because what Amazon was doing was, like, you'd seen my update last month where one of my products sold just under 350 units in a day, and they're pretty expensive units. So my revenue that day was $15,000. They're not cheap. And they were only letting me send in like 600 units in a shipment max, which 600 units, if I'm selling 350 a day, is 2 days worth of inventory. Kind of crazy. So what I basically did was I went back and deleted that FBA inbound shipment with 600 units and recreated the FBA inbound shipment for my full order, which was more than 600 units, as you'd probably guess. And I'm having my manufacturer send everything as, they're going to label everything for me, and then I'm going to have my freight forwarder ship it all for me together. It saves money that way. So inbound shipments are back without restriction. If you don't know how to do inbound shipments, by the way, check out my video from earlier this week. I did a full step-by-step tutorial for you. If you don't know what that is, it's basically how we let Amazon know that we're sending inventory to their facility and how to give them the data that they need in Seller Central. All right, number 2, lightning deals are back. This is a big deal if you're trying to, let's say, rank a new product or rank an existing product in a competitive niche. Running a lightning deal will drive a bunch of immediate sales, get a lot of eyeballs on your product. And when you're driving sales velocity, it's also going to increase your organic rank, even if it came through lightning deals. Doesn't matter. Amazon intentionally probably did it this way so that it incentivizes us sellers to look out for the buyers, create happier buyers on their platform. And then in turn, we can get a reward. Like I said, if you run a lightning deal, you get a lot of sales, quick sales velocity. It's going to boost your organic rank, and then when the lightning deal ends, you still reap the benefit of good organic rank on their catalog. Number 3 out of 3, coupons are back. If you're not utilizing Amazon coupons for your Seller Central, at least FBA products, you need to try. This is something that I always talked about, really in terms of anything. I was going to say with print on demand, but obviously it matters for FBA as well. But it's like, why do coupons matter? It's not just that perceived value in the customer's eye will likely lead to increased conversion rates and, more conversions and whatnot. It's also that Amazon in the search results, the way that they tag a coupon, it visibly stands out in search results. And remember, if we're competing for sales in e-commerce, whether it's FBA products or print on demand or KDP or whatever you're selling, standing out in search results is key. Anything you can do, because remember, go do a search on Amazon for your product and look at all the results. Look at your product amongst the sea of similar products. What makes you stand out? Ask yourself that. Evaluate it as if you're a customer and not the seller. If you're running a coupon and you have that flashy little, I think it's green text that says 5% off, 10% off, $1 off, you stand out. You know, it's a big part of my strategy for selling on Etsy as well, is like always run a sale, you know, offer free shipping. Etsy will do a very similar thing to what Amazon does with coupons and tag you in the search results, so that if a customer sees 10 extremely similar products and they don't know which one to click, they could maybe click the one with the most reviews. That would make sense. Click the one at the top organic ranking. Okay, that makes sense. Or even non-organic ranking. A lot of customers don't know the difference between an ad and organic. But what if they click the one that has the 5% off? That would also make sense, right? They're trying to save some money. And if you're at the top of page 1, so they're seeing it, maybe not the exact top, but if you're above the fold, if you're ranked to the point where they see your product and you're running a coupon, you've done quite a bit to increase the likelihood of you getting clicked in search results and getting that sale. Also, obviously, reviews help, things like that. Having competitive pricing and whatnot. All right, and that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share that update with you. If you guys are selling on FBA, definitely at a minimum, like, go take advantage of coupons. If you're in a competitive niche, go run a lightning deal while everybody else is just now realizing that lightning deals are back. And if you're running low on inventory, you can create inbound shipments now on non-essential products and get your inventory restocked. So go take advantage of that, guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And if you want to, hit that like button as well. And I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at RyansMethod.com. Thank you.